If you want to enable voice to text on Samsung Galaxy A37, if we go, let's say, to Google Messages and we try to send a message, if you want to be able to convert your speech into a text, then of course once you open your keyboard by tapping on the text message field, then here in the bottom left corner we have this microphone which we can easily use. If you tap on it for the first time, then you will need to grant certain permissions, like of course the recording option, so that the keyboard can actually use the microphone, and then whatever you say out loud, it should be converted into a text, as you can right now see on the screen. And of course you can tap on the microphone again in order to turn the microphone off. And in case you do not have the microphone in here, you can tap on this setting icon that we have at the top of the keyboard. Now once we open Samsung keyboard settings, we want to scroll down and we need to find voice input. And then here we can use either Samsung voice input or Google voice typing. As long as one of these two options is selected, you should be able to use the microphone. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.